Hi dear children, today we are going to see the next lesson 22nd articles. So when we see articles, it has three articles. We have a and the. A and the. Clear? These three things are called articles. These three things are called articles. So when we speak about the meaning of it, a and an, so both are same. When we speak about a and an, both are same. Same means singular. So we use it for the singular nouns. Singular. A and an means only one. Only one. It refers only one. But we say this is a definite article. We see the particular thing. I need that. So bring me the pencil. We say the means particularly when we speak about any object, we use the. So indefinite article and definite article it is. So we shall see that articles. This when we speak about articles, we have a and the. That you remember it. Okay. Now we shall see where we use a and an and where we use the. Right. So we have learned that the letter A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. So we know already vowels. There are 5 letters: A, E, I, O, U. Right? All the other letters of English alphabet are consonants. So we have 5 vowel letters and 21 consonant letters. Except all these A, E, I, O, U, other letters are called consonants. That we have learned already. It is important to remember this because the use of a and an depends on the vowel and consonant sounds. So we have to use a and an. Remember, dear children, a and an. So both are having same meaning, singular. Okay, only one. But where to use a and where to use an, that is a concept here we are going to learn in this lesson. So we use depending on the vowel sound and the consonant sounds, we use a and an. Okay, so I'll tell you where we have to use an and where we have to use an. A and an. So this, it is a sound with which a word begins that determines the use of a or an. So it determines, so it decides where to use a and an by the sound of consonants and vowels. See here, if a word begins with a consonant sound, we use a before. If a word begins with a consonant sound, okay, consonant sound, we use a before it. If a word, the next word you have to say, when the next word is going to begin, that word, if a word begins with a consonant sound, okay, we have to use a. And if a word begins with a vowel sound, we have to use an. Okay, some places we will have confusions that I will show you here. Okay, see here, a girl. Here, girl. So we use here a. We use here a, but see the next one, G-I-R-L, girl. So it's a g. G sound comes, g. G sound. So we use a, right? And see here, a fan, fan, F sound is there. So we use a. And the next one, a mango, ma. So M sound is there. So consonant sound. So we use a. And the next one, if a word begins with a vowel sound, we use an before it. As we are doing it, if a word begins with a vowel sound, okay, vowel sound, we have to use an before it. An before it. Okay, an apple. Okay, so a vowel sound, an apple. It comes an apple. And an elephant begins with a vowel e, A-E-I-O-U. So e, elephant sound. So we use an elephant. So both are same. A fan means only one fan. An elephant means only one elephant. Okay, singular. But because of the sound, consonant sound and vowel sound, we change it. And an umbrella. and umbrella. Clear? So by using this concept, we are going to fill these exercises. Exercise 1. Remember and A and an both mean one number, as I was telling, one number. A and an are used before singular countable noun. Both are used in singular countable noun. So all these things, all are then a single noun. Goat is one, box, owl, egg, seed, table, ink pot, orange, mobile, all these are in only one. But we are going to use A or an. Clear? See here, first one, a goat, goat, G, consonant sound. So a goat, box, B, consonant. So we use A. And owl, O, vowel sound. So we use an, egg, E, vowel sound. So we use again A. So and we use an egg. And a seed. Okay. And then we say how many table? Only one, which means a table, consonant sound. Again vowel sound, and ink pot. Again here orange, O, vowel sound. So an in orange, mobile, consonant sound, M. So a mobile. And aeroplane, A aeroplane. So an aeroplane. And next one, auto. So A, vowel sound, an auto. And then ice cream, vowel, begins with vowel, okay, an ice cream. So again onion begins with O, okay, vowel, an onion. Juicy apple, again A. Silver bowl, so again consonant, A. So this is how we have to fill it. Dear children, learn all this command, all these rules. So you may get it in examination also. So please remember, learn it properly. And the next one, exercise 2. Sometimes what happens, in vowels letter we will begin. The next word will begin with vowel, uniform. So we have vowel letter. So, but we use A. Why? Because we have to see the sound. Sound we have to see. Based on the sound, we have to see that. Based on the sound, we have to use an or A. An or A. Okay? See here, a uniform, because U, Y starts. When we see carefully the pronunciation, it starts U, Y comes, okay? One uniform. So we say a uniform. The same thing, a useful thing. Again, we start with U. So Y we have. And here again, a European. Again, European, Y. The sound we have to see, sound carefully. So European. Though these words are beginning with a vowel letter, but we have to see the sound. Based on the sound, sometimes the words will change. Clear? See the exercises. Use A or and in the blanks below. Keep in mind the sound of the alphabets. So we have to keep the letter sound in the mind. So here, I brought a dash a uniform from a shop. See that, as we have seen in the previous slide, uniform starts with Y. Sound, okay. Though here letter starts with the vowel letter, but we have to see the sound. Clear? A uniform from a shop. Again, a European is my new neighbor. He is a lecturer at dash here university. We have Y sound. So again a university. University. And this time give me a useful gift. Not here umbrella, U sound. Not an umbrella again. Clear? And I always have an egg. Starts with a vowel letter and sound also. And consonant sound. A piece of toast and a glass of milk. A glass of milk. Okay? And the next one, an emu is an African bird, while and ostrich is an Australian bird. So everything begins, all the words beginning with a vowel sound. Clear? And sixth one, what an idea, sir. Here again vowel sound and a letter, and eagle for here P consonant. A. Again say here insect, a vowel letter. Insect in a, again here consonant. We use before that A of water. And the cow is a useful animal. And ninth one, water easy, water easy. Warden, easy answer. Ask me dash, ask me a different question. Ask me a different question, right? The farmer sold an ox and dash and a buffalo to an Eskimo. Clear? All these we have to, all E and an has the same meaning. So E and an has the same meaning. See, we shall use another one. We are going to use the next exercise. A and an are not used with the uncountable nouns. Clear? Uncountable nouns, we don't use it, like oil, rice, work, etc. Instead, we can use some as a measure of quantity. So when we speak about quantity, so we say use some. So for oil, we cannot say one oil, and we cannot say one water, we cannot say. But we say some water, some oil we can say. That's what they say here. We can use a, an, or some in those sentences, in these sentences. I ate some rice, we cannot say one rice. We can say I ate some rice and dal for lunch. Okay? And the next one, dash stranger wants a dash interview with the dash actress. A stranger wants an interview, because the next word is a vowel, an interview with dash an actress. An actress. Then fourth one, the third one, give me a cold. Cold is in consonant, right? Give me some cold water. We can say a cold water. Give me some cold water to drink in a glass, please. One glass. Okay. I have a good news for you. You will find a surprise gift on your bed. You'll have a surprise bed in your bed. Okay? Yeah. The next one, we have to see maximum, we have to see the consonant. Okay? Consonant or vowel. I have a work, okay, to do. Please bring me a pen and a paper. So you can say paper, pen, we can say one. But water, oil, that's uncountable nouns. We cannot say one, two. We can say a sum. We can use sum here. So dear children, in this lesson today we have learned two things. Consonant and vowel. We have to use consonant, we have to use A and we have to use an. We have to use A and we have to use an. We have seen all these things. And some places we cannot say, as I said, uncountable nouns. We cannot use A and we cannot use A and an. So instead we can say some, bring me some water. So those two things we have seen today. So write all the answers in your notebook and learn it properly. And tomorrow's class we will learn the definite article. We left one more, the. Where to use the, we shall see in the next class. Please write all the answers in your notebook and study properly. Thank you, dear children.